Premtobre Kasee na Augusosha ne yetoaso de mo akonsem fofromo mrashe bedwani de ma de hia wo northon Samuel okudito ablakwa de na wo de to mampani na adodanko akufuado anim se ene so no ayebie wo akosombo ne de state of emergency tie wo se nyina kwan bi ebefa so na yetumi aboa ahoyehia yi mo no wo se yetumi fisem pem ene ne bebi omoda odidie mu bibia ayenwonwan Adom TV etwaso
na wasa nsimi ho no mrashe bedwani a woginem edema wona ewo nofton wonumanyamfo Samuel Okudjeto ablakwa edinkrama ne Ghana mampanyin na adodanko akufado se wose de nsu asifa yire wo honom no ewose Ghana mampanyin ema ne yoman nyina de hia na oman nyina tumi bibi ye de fa ho ode sansem we yetudwa wabra Christian Council wo oman mu edin nnuane ne madodo na akoma kromafo bi a wo ewo mepa nsu yire yi eka wo mo.
I'd like to use this opportunity to offer sincere gratitude to the Christian Council of Ghana. We are very, very grateful to them. Their response has been so rapid. They called us, and under 24 hours they are here. They have demonstrated that as our revered clergymen, they are not only interested in our souls going to heaven, but they are also interested in our welfare and our well-being whilst we are here on earth. I would just want to use this opportunity to appeal to the President to declare a state of emergency. Once that declaration is done, we will see renewed urgency, we will see national mobilization of resources, and we are also going to get international attention. As ranking member on the Foreign Affairs Committee, I can confirm to you that there are many diplomats who are reaching out and saying that if that declaration is done, it will really trigger a lot of support for us. So we are appealing to the President. Fortunately, when I called him,